Hi, and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to transfer your domain from Namecheap to Squarespace easily, even if you've never done it before. This process works whether you're moving a personal blog, a business site, or a portfolio. First, let's quickly understand what a domain transfer is. When you transfer your domain from Namecheap to Squarespace, you're moving the registration so that Squarespace becomes your domain registrar. This allows you to manage both your website hosting and your domain settings in one place, directly from your Squarespace dashboard. Step 1. Prepare your domain in Namecheap. Log into your Namecheap account and go to your domain list. Select the domain you want to transfer, and here, go to Sharing and Transfer tab and scroll down. Make sure your domain is more than 60 days old, as ICANN rules don't allow transfers before that. Disable the domain lock, and also turn off WoIS privacy, sometimes called domain privacy. Step 2. Get your authorization code. In Namecheap, you'll see an option to get the EPP code, also known as the Transfer Authorization Code. This code is essential for verifying ownership during the transfer to Squarespace. Keep it handy. You'll need it in a moment. Step 3. Start the transfer in Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account. In the Home menu, go to Settings, then Domains. Click Use a Domain I Own and enter your domain name. Select the option to transfer it to Squarespace. You'll be prompted to enter the EPP code from Namecheap. Step 4. Pay for the transfer. Squarespace charges for domain transfers, but the fee includes a 1-year extension of your domain registration. Complete the payment and confirm your contact details. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to complete. Domain transfers can take anywhere from 24 hours to 5 days, depending on the registrar's processing time. You can track the status inside your Squarespace account. Once it's done, your domain will be fully managed by Squarespace. That's it. You've successfully moved your domain from Namecheap to Squarespace. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check my other tutorials on connecting domains, setting up custom email with Google Workspace, and optimizing DNS settings for better website performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.